How to fix Telegram login issue. Hello guys and welcome back into this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram login. So first thing you wanna do is go to the settings in your mobile phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you are gonna find all the apps that you have in your phone. So all what you wanna do is very simple. Just scroll until you find Telegram and then click on it like that. When you click on Telegram now, all what you want to do next is very simple. Just force stop the app and then go to the data usage, disable the roaming data and then go back again, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and last thing you want to do is open the Play Store, and if you have iPhone you can open the App Store and search for Telegram and update it. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.